The Cribl Search Palo Alto Firewall Syslog pack is built for visualizing different log types from Palo Alto Networks firewalls received via Syslog. This pack handles key firewall event types such as traffic, threat, system, and configuration logs to simplify analysis. It provides specialized dashboards specific to each type of firewall logs. These dashboards can be customized further to suit your specific requirements. The pack also provides a collection of saved searches that can be used to query your Syslog data as well as define your own alerts and notifications. The pack comes pre-populated with sample data to give you an idea of what it may look like with your own data. The data for this pack can come from an object store such as an AWS S3 bucket or a Cribl Lake dataset. The benefit here is being able to use the data from where it was written to and not having to lift and shift it into another tool.